Hi guys, welcome back to the training. Now after you have get to know the niche you are going for, the niche you want to work on, another next important step you need to take is to spy on your competitors. Spy on the competitors. Check them how they are branding their work. See how they are branding their work, how they are doing their business. So how can you do that? How will you do that easily? So now let us move further. I will be showing you how to start now. So go back to your Amazon platform. Now assuming you want to be writing on, yes, let's use parenting guides. Then scroll down. Check people with high reviews. Just write their name. Just you can copy it. Then you copy it. You now come back here under this stage. So you clean this one, you clean it. Then you paste the name. Then you now put groups in front of it. Then you search. Now you can see these are the books that this name has written. Alright, the ultimate preschool activities guide. You can see raising worries and helps. These are the books the person has written. These are the books the person has written. So you'll be able to spy on the person's books, what he has written, the topics he has written on. So you can just come here now and open in another tab. When you open in another tab, you can even view part of the table of content. So when you come here, you can see read more. You'll be able to view how he's doing his business. You can read through this. You don't need to feel alone in parenting. You don't need to feel like you are falling. You definitely don't need another parent's book. So you read everything. But to know what this thing entails and you want to build your content alike with the same thing he has written, so you just click here, look inside. Under look inside, so you scroll down, you should be able to allow, I don't think, the table of content. You can see you can just snap the table of content with your phone, or you write the table of content down. They said the best advice ever received, no one else is watching. So you write the content, so you can now form your own content based on these two. Now if you are into money making, you come here. Let's talk about affiliate marketing for beginner. You can see we have a books here on affiliate marketing for beginner. So you click on it. This is affiliate marketing is our routine to earn some serious. You can see. Then look inside. You click on look inside. You scroll down. Then you can see the table of content. What is affiliate marketing? Why should you be an affiliate marketing? You can see. So you just jot this down, or you snap the picture of what it entails, so you can even see part of the something, but not all, but you can see part of it. you can see part of it, but not all. So this place they will ask you to buy. So, and there you can see other topics too relating to affiliate marketing that the person has wrote. So that's how to spy on your competitors. So you check their table of content, how their descriptions, how they describe their work, their job. Now look at this one now, the description. So you come here, find the best affiliate marketing program, find the best affiliate marketing strategy, choose the right affiliate product or service for you. Those are what you need to check, and you can just copy them somewhere. You copy the table of content, so you paste them somewhere. Then you will now work on it. You can now work on it, and you are going to build your business in line with your competitors, and you are going to beat them to dust. So in the next tutorial, I will be teaching us how we are going to sign up for the account and the creation of the account. That's what the next topic will be based on.